Welcome back. Opening scene. The Ford Escort MK1, an icon of the 70s, reborn for 2025. A perfect fusion of retro charm and modern engineering, bringing classic motoring back to life. Under the hood, Ford stays true to its rally heritage. The heart of this machine, a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, borrowed from the Focus ST but refined for a raw, more visceral experience. It punches out 320 horsepower, channeled through a 6-speed manual gearbox, keeping the spirit of the original alive. And yes, it's rear-wheel drive here because that's the way it should be. The design pays homage to the past while embracing the future. The round headlights, the bold rectangular grille, and those muscular arches all scream classic Escort. Yet everything is reimagined with modern precision. Lightweight carbon fiber panels reduce weight, while LED lighting and active aerodynamics blend seamlessly into the retro silhouette. Inside, it's a perfect balance of nostalgia and innovation. The dashboard retains its simplistic charm but integrates a digital cluster with analog-style dials. Alcantara-trimmed bucket seats hug you in place, and the steering wheel are thin-rimmed, just like the Classica gives that direct, unfiltered road feel. But let's talk about what really makes the 2025 MK1 special: the driving experience. With a lightweight chassis, perfectly balanced suspension, and razor-sharp steering, it's an absolute weapon on backroads. The power delivery is linear, the turbo spools up with urgency, and the exhaust note deep, raspy, and unfiltered reminds you that this car was built for drivers. And for those who crave even more, Ford offers a rally-inspired RS package: carbon ceramic brakes, a limited slip diff, and an extra 30 horsepower, making it track-ready straight from the factory. Limited to just 5,000 units worldwide, this Escort isn't just a car, it's a statement, a love letter to the golden era of motoring, built for those who understand what driving is really about. The question is, would you take one over a modern hot hatch? Or is this blend of old and new exactly what the world needs? Let me know in the comments.